Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're tackling one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to cook chicken drumsticks. Forget the oven for a moment. We're going to achieve incredibly juicy, tender chicken right on your stovetop, and it's surprisingly simple. This method is fantastic because it's quick and delivers amazing flavor without a lot of fuss. It's perfect for a delicious weeknight dinner, ensuring a meal that the whole family will truly enjoy. Getting started is super easy. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients. Grab about 6 to 8 chicken drumsticks. Some cooking oil, olive oil, or vegetable oil works great, and your go-to seasonings. Think salt, pepper, garlic powder, or maybe some paprika for extra color. You'll also need about 1 cup of chicken broth or even just water for later. Make sure your drumsticks are patted dry and you're ready to begin. Now for the magic step, searing. This is where we build incredible flavor. Place a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat, and once it's hot, add your oil. Carefully place the dried drumsticks in the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Let them sear for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, until they develop a beautiful, golden brown crust. This process locks in juices and creates a delicious, crispy skin you'll absolutely love. Once your drumsticks are beautifully seared, it's time to cook them through. Carefully pour about 1 cup of chicken broth or water into the pan. This liquid creates steam, helping the chicken become incredibly tender. Reduce the heat down to low, just enough to maintain a gentle simmer. Then, cover your skillet tightly with a lid and let those drumsticks cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. This slow simmer ensures they cook perfectly, all the way to the bone. Almost there. Once your drumsticks have simmered, use a meat thermometer to check their internal temperature, aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If they're ready, remove them from the pan and let them rest for just 5 minutes. This simple step helps keep them wonderfully juicy. You can even drizzle some of those delicious pan juices over them. Now, plate them up and get ready to enjoy your incredibly tender, flavorful stovetop drumsticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.